young viewers. Today, I, Prabuddha Parajuli, will be sharing you an interesting topic called scientific learning. Here, I have a mixture of sand and iron particles. So, I just made an observation, which is the first step of scientific learning. Then, I ask a question to myself. How can this mixture be separated into two components? Now, I will make a hypothesis to answer that question. The hypothesis I made is this mixture can be separated by magnetic separation since iron filings are attractable to magnets. So now, after I've made the hypothesis, now I'm going to try out the experiment to see if my hypothesis was correct. So let's take a magnet and then start rubbing it all over the sand. So it seems that my hypothesis of magnetic separation was absolutely correct. But if my hypothesis was false, I would have had to conduct different and various experiments until I finally get the correct results. And after the correct results are formed, I then draw a conclusion and make a report to document my scientific learning process. So now, in conclusion, all of this was a part of scientific learning. I hope that you have understood and also will carry out this scientific learning process in the upcoming days. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned, and make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on any educational videos. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.